Agile project planning focuses on delivering projects in smaller, manageable segments called sprints. Unlike traditional project management, which often follows a rigid, linear path, Agile allows teams to adapt to changes quickly. The goal of Agile project planning is to prioritize customer needs and respond to changes throughout the project lifecycle. This flexibility is key to ensuring that the product evolves to meet market demands and user feedback. The Agile project planning process involves creating a roadmap for the product development lifecycle while being flexible enough to accommodate change. It starts with a product vision and high-level roadmap, followed by defining the project's goals. The product is broken down into features and then into user stories. These user stories are prioritized based on business value and are estimated to determine how much work the team can handle during each sprint. User stories are brief descriptions of a feature or functionality from the perspective of the end user. They capture the who, what, and why of a feature, making it easier for the development team to understand the customer's needs. By breaking the product into smaller, manageable user stories, teams can prioritize features and focus on delivering value incrementally. Each user story is typically accompanied by acceptance criteria to define when it's considered complete. Agile uses various estimation techniques to predict the effort required to complete each user story. Common methods include story points, ideal days, and t-shirt sizes. Story points are often used because they allow teams to estimate the complexity and effort relative to other tasks. Teams assign a point value to user stories based on their size and difficulty. These estimations help the team plan their sprints and predict how much work can be accomplished during each iteration. Sprint planning is a key event in the Agile methodology, where the team selects which user stories from the product backlog will be worked on during the sprint. The Scrum team, including the product owner and Scrum Master, discuss and define the sprint goal. They also estimate the tasks needed to complete each user story, ensuring that the work fits within the sprint's time box. Effective sprint planning ensures that the team has a clear, achievable goal and that they are aligned on priorities. The product backlog is a prioritized list of features, bugs, and tasks that need to be completed for the product. The product owner is responsible for maintaining the backlog, ensuring that it aligns with business goals and customer needs. The backlog is constantly evolving as new features are requested, bugs are identified, and priorities shift. The Scrum team regularly reviews the backlog during sprint planning meetings to ensure that the highest priority items are worked on first. Each sprint in Agile has a defined sprint goal, which is a concise statement describing the focus of the sprint. The sprint goal ensures that the team stays aligned and focused on delivering the most valuable features. The goal should be achievable within the sprint's time box, and it provides a clear direction for the team. Sprint goals are created during sprint planning and help guide the development of user stories and tasks throughout the sprint. Sprint capacity refers to the total amount of work the team can commit to during a sprint. Estimating capacity is important to ensure that the team is not overburdened and can deliver quality results. Factors such as team size, experience, and availability are considered when determining sprint capacity. Estimation techniques such as story points and velocity are used to predict the work the team can handle. Regularly measuring capacity helps refine future sprint planning and ensures realistic expectations. Agile projects must also address potential risks. These can be technical, operational, or stakeholder-related. The Scrum team works together to identify and mitigate risks early in the project. Regular risk assessments during sprint retrospectives help the team understand new risks that may arise and adjust their plans accordingly. Agile's focus on regular feedback and iterative development makes it easier to identify and resolve risks early, reducing the chances of major roadblocks later on. One of the most widely used estimation techniques in Agile is story points. Story points assign a relative value to a user story based on its complexity and effort. Instead of estimating time directly, Story points focus on how difficult or time consuming a task will be relative to others. This helps the team avoid time based pressure and allows them to focus on delivering quality work. Over time, the team gains better insights into their velocity, which helps improve estimation accuracy. Agile project planning and estimation offer several benefits, such as flexibility, adaptability, and faster delivery of valuable features. The iterative nature of Agile allows for continuous improvements and course corrections. By breaking the work into smaller chunks, teams can focus on high priority features and deliver incremental value. Regular estimation and planning also ensure that the team remains aligned and can adjust to changing requirements, thus increasing stakeholder satisfaction and improving the overall quality of the product. In Agile, common estimation techniques include story points, ideal days, and t-shirt sizes. Story points assign a numerical value to user stories based on their complexity. Ideal days estimate how much time a task will take in a perfect scenario, while t-shirt sizes categorize stories into small, medium, large, and extra large. The choice of estimation technique depends on team preference, project complexity, and the level of granularity needed for planning. The goal is to create a reliable system for predicting how much work can be done in each sprint. Estimation becomes more accurate as teams gain experience with the Agile process. As teams complete more sprints, they develop a better understanding of their velocity, how much work they can handle in each sprint. By tracking completed story points over time, teams can forecast future sprint performance with greater precision. This historical data improves planning accuracy and helps adjust the backlog to reflect real capacity, ensuring that future sprints are achievable and aligned with project goals. One of the main challenges in Agile project planning is balancing scope, time, and cost. Agile allows teams to adjust the scope of work based on changing requirements, but they must still operate within time and cost constraints. During each sprint, teams focus on delivering the highest priority features while remaining mindful of time and budget limits. By regularly reviewing progress and adjusting plans, Agile enables teams to achieve the best possible product outcome within the available resources. Agile project planning and estimation are dynamic and adaptable. By breaking work into manageable chunks, prioritizing based on value, and continuously estimating the effort, teams can deliver high-quality results quickly. The iterative nature of Agile planning allows for constant feedback, adjustments, and course corrections. As you apply Agile methods to your projects, remember that flexibility and communication with your stakeholders are key to successfully navigating the uncertainties of product development.